much attention to what direction it's coming in. They're just gonna say, hey, it's windy out here, let's close the vents to this position. But of course, these are very slow moving. It's a very old, slow drive unit, because this is a very short vent run. But because it's slow, and because roof vents can detach, it can be a little dangerous. And so with C, there is an option to add a service called predictive weather. So what that does is it looks at other weather stations in the area. So it's like, hey, it's raining like crazy, you know, just west of here. And yes, it does seem to be heading our way. And so you can start to close those before the rain or more like the wind gets to you. So maybe you would limit it to what, 30% JJ or something like that. And then when the wind or the weather event gets to your local weather station, then it would say, okay, now let's go down to 10%. So that's just something to keep in mind.
Before the wind actually gets here.
Yeah. So it's called predictive because it's predicting that the wind is, you know, that far away and it's coming here. So just something to keep in mind. Adrian went to go get the key sock so we can update the things, and I've never done this before, so. Here's my card.
Thank you.
Really, you want to call JJ, that's who I call.
Call me, I like helping.
So I grabbed your manual. It's inside the contactor panel. I was just rummaging through my backpack. I usually have some sticky notes if you have some. I will mark the pages that are relevant because there's only about 10. And so it makes the manual a little less scary. And then I'll tell you that this is outdated because this says V2.01.07, and you said we're about to release .14.
Yeah.
So it's nice to just download it. I think when you do the update, isn't there something where it gives you the latest manual or something?
I think I'm gonna get the manuals. I don't know if you have to have the cloud for that or not.
So anyway, you can always get the latest manual on our website, and I do think that when you have, so there's the control, so C, there's Sphere, which is the software which you can load on as many computers as you want. It will be connected once you get your internet. You can have the app. Locally, it's free. If you want to use it remotely, it has a charge. It stores your data, and we'll want to set up end users, and then it'll track who made changes. If you kind of know some of your seasonal settings, we can go ahead and set those up today. Like, you never want to leave the greenhouse and just turn off all the equipment, because it'll ruin the equipment. So we can have like kind of an empty greenhouse. We can do maybe a best guess at winter settings and summer, and this is the season. This is like the crazy time of year for controlling the environment because, you know, it gets hot, it's cold, you know, it's raining. And the smaller the zone, this is a zone, the harder it is to control. Because you turn that heater on and it gets too hot, and then you open the vents and you turn the exhaust fan on and suddenly it's too cold because it's not that much air, so anything you do has a big impact. So we can teach you how to make those settings and create a few, and then, you know, JJ said give us a call if you've got a question. Do you think we could go inside?
Sure.
Okay.